What's good for the heart is good for the brain. Now, why is that? Well, there's a huge amount of research which actually demonstrates that very clearly. Every time the heart beats, it sends blood around the whole body. Now, your brain is just 2% of your body weight. It's relatively small compared with your whole body. But coming out of the heart directly to the brain is these two big arteries, one to each side of the brain, called the internal carotids. Every time your heart beats, 20% of the output goes to the brain. That's 1/5 of the output. And it's only 2% of the body weight, because the brain critically needs the best blood supply ever to supply oxygen, to supply nutrients, glucose, and all the other things which feed your brain cells and keep you active. And so if the pump fails, your brain fails. Things that cause heart disease will end up causing a problem with your brain. So what are the things which are critical for looking after your heart? Physical activity is absolutely vital. Keep moving. 40 minutes a day, 3 or 4 days a week. You don't have to be a top Olympic athlete. You don't have to do a marathon, but exercise, sweat it out a little bit, but do exercise you enjoy. We know from animal studies that stressful exercise actually results in decreasing numbers of brain cells. Good exercise, which you enjoy, whether it be walking or running or whatever, will actually increase neurogenesis and increase new brain cells. The second thing, of course, for your heart health is stop smoking. The third thing is, and a number of things, anything that affects your brain health, your heart health rather, like diabetes or high blood pressure or high cholesterol, which clogs up the arteries, not only in your heart, but also in your brain, they should be treated. Get them under control, lower your blood pressure, look at what's causing the high cholesterol, treat it, your specific drugs for treating that. So look after your heart first and foremost.